Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So I've been unboxing Koala Crate for an entire year now. This is the month 12 of the Koala Crate. But this one is the rainbows. I'll unbox this. And also, if you haven't seen any of our previous episode on the Koala Crate, I also talk about how you can save a lot by using different method to purchase this. So anyway, after I have done unboxing, I will have that video as well. If you already seen our previous episode, you can just skip ahead using the timestamp. So anyway, let's unbox this one. All right, so time flies. It's already been a year since we subscribed to their annual subscription. This is our last one. All right, here's a card. As your child grows and changes, so do our craze. Imagine magazine. Rainbow. This is the instruction on how to play this crate. Rainbow squares. Feel like some kind of pocket. Oh, there are a bunch of like coloring paper. I'm not quite sure what this will do, but we're gonna find out. Rainbows. A tote bag. A cloud. It's like foam or cushion. I think this will go inside here. We'll find out soon. All right, some kind of paper has all the cut up of squares, well, triangles, circles, and rectangles, and also squares. Yeah. And let's see. I'm not sure what this is either. And also one other item, I have no clue what that is. Alright, so this is all the stuff inside the crate, and let me go read up the instruction to see how this works. Alright, so this video is not sponsored by KiwiCo, although it's not sponsored by them, but I do have a referral code for anyone who sign up for KiwiCo and get $10 off their first purchase. So this is one of the way that you can save more is use the referral code. I'll put the code down in the description below so you can go check it out. Now another way that you can save is by having an extension that install onto your browser. Now I have Rakuten, I have Honey, and I also have the American Advantage. Now, what I have found that all three of them has some sort of either discount or cashback. The one that gives you the most is Rakuten with a 7.5% cashback. Now for Rakuten, I'll also put the referral code down in the description. So if you use it, you will actually get a $30 cashback when you first sign up. Yeah, it's a great way to save more if you shop a lot online to use Rakuten. Now Honey on the other hand, it doesn't give all that much, it's 1% to 3%. So it's quite low compared to Rakuten. And American Advantage, this one gives you airline miles. Now for this one, you get 7 miles per dollar that you spend. The cashback system is a little bit better than the getting miles, especially for those of you that doesn't fly. If you do fly, then maybe American Advantage is a better deal. Now let's talk about this crate real quick. I was a little bit disappointed. This one did not come with a hard copy of Kitten's Adventure book. So instead, they sent in a magazine form, which is in a paperback. I do not know if that's something that they are doing from now on, or just one off. The previous 11 months, they are all hard copy. Because it's in the paperback magazine form, so eventually it's going to degrade and you won't be able to use it for long. That's very disappointing because this is our last month. I was hoping to have 12 books of Kitten's Adventure for my kid, and he really loved those books, but it is what it is. Now let's talk about the gameplay. This whole set of crate, despite the disappointment from the book, is actually pretty well thought out and it's very hands-on. Now the first gameplay is called Stained Glass Art. So this one you actually have to plan a little bit. First you need to get the black frame and then peel the yellow backing off the black frame to reveal the sticky sheet. One thing I would suggest you to do, because this is going to be an art form, you're going to pop out all the black shapes. I would strongly suggest once you pop them out, you lay them out on a separate surface area where you can plan and how you want to put all the pieces onto the sticky side of the
frame. So that way it will look much presentable, because once you put the black shape onto the sticky side, you're not able to peel it out or rearrange it. So be mindful of that. Now what you need to do next, arrange the black shape onto the frame, the sticky sheet. Once you have arranged all the black shapes, then you can cover the rest of the sticky sheet with the rainbow squares. Now once you have done so, with all the blank spot being taken up, then what you need to do is to peel the white backing off the clear sticky sheet and then stick it on top of the rainbow square. Once you have done so, then turn your stained glass art around and see the rainbow scene. Alright, so for the second gameplay, it's called Rainbow Tote Bag. So what you need to do is actually bring out a baking tray and put everything on top, so that way it gets less messy. First thing you should do is soak the tote bag in water and squeeze out the extra water. Then you put the wet tote bag on top of the baking tray. And then now what you need to do is lay down all the rest of the rainbow squares that you have left. Once you have done so, and have a cup with water and use the water dropper that provided with this crate and just squeeze water on top of those rainbow squares. Now make sure that you get all the squares wet. What you need to do next is just let it dry overnight. Once the bag is being dry, then the rainbow square, they just come off really easily. And once you have done so, you will have a dye tote bag in hand. And then the last thing your kids should do is just put the cloud stickers on top of it, and that's it. This gameplay is pretty cool. With all the rainbow square that they provided, you can actually lay them on top of each other, and once they get wet, they actually produce a different color. So the last gameplay is called the cloud pillow. This one is really simple, it's straightforward. What you need to do is just take out the rainbow stickers and peel the back off and make them stick on top of the cloud pillow, and with the biggest one on the back, and then you lay each smaller ones on top of it. And once you have done so, they also provide you with some fluffs. And so you just take out those fluffs and then shove it into the cloud pillow, and that's it. All right, so this concludes the annual subscription to Koala Crate. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.